How to delete Twitter account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Twitter app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Twitter account. Now you will land to the For You page. At the top left corner, you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. Now head towards this option of settings and support given at the bottom. Tap on that drop down. Different options will pop up. Select the option of settings and privacy. Open it. Now at the top you can see the option of your account. Open it. Now from here you have to select the option of deactivate your account. Open it. Here are the few things that you should know while deactivating your account, so you can just read it out and then tap on the deactivate option given at the bottom. Now here, to continue with the process, you have to type in your password of Twitter account over here and then tap on deactivate. Tap on yes, deactivate. Your account is deactivated. Now don't log into your Twitter account for 30 days and it will be deleted permanently. If you log in within 30 days of deactivation process, your account won't be deleted. So in order to delete your Twitter account, first you have to go through the deactivation process and don't log into your Twitter account for 30 days and it will be deleted permanently. This was it. I hope now you guys are clear about how to delete Twitter account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.